you may have heard the term discount points or paying discount points in relation to your mortgage loan. Well, what does this mean? What are discount points, and what does it mean to pay discount points? Well, it simply means that you're paying some extra finance charge or extra interest one time at the time of closing in order to buy down the rate or get a lower rate and a lower payment over the life of the loan in hopes of, saving money over the entire life of the loan. Now, it's typically optional. I'll come back to that in just a second. Not always, typically optional. So what this means is when you go to lock in your rate, your lender is going to have a number of rates available at with different discount points associated, and they will generally offer you a few different options if you want to try to get a lower rate. So just to let you know what the structure is, one discount point is equal to 1% of the loan amount. So if you're talking about one discount point on a $150,000 loan, for instance, that's $1,500. Discount points are quoted in 0.8%. So, you could have a discount point that is 0.3% or 0.7% or 1.5%. So just remember, that's the percentage of the loan amount. Now, let me go back to the part about it being optional. In a normal rate environment, it is optional and it's something that you would choose to pay discount points. Nowadays, some of the pricing has changed a little bit on some loan programs. So if you have a lower credit score, you might find yourself in a situation where there isn't a rate available that doesn't have some discount points available. So that would be something you can talk to your lender, or your lender will explain that a little bit more to you. Now, lastly, is it a good idea to pay discount points? It depends. It depends on your situation. It depends a lot on how long you plan to live in the home. Because if you're going to buy the home now and you think you'll probably be moving in, 3 or 4 years, it doesn't make sense to load up costs up front in order to try to save money over the long term when you're not going to be in the house long term. So ask your lender to provide you an analysis of what it would look like to either pay discount points or not pay discount points, if that's an option for you. Obviously, if you're looking at paying discount points, that's going to involve some extra cash up front. So that's a consideration as well. Hope that makes sense. If you have specific questions about closing costs or discount points, please feel free to reach out. I'll be glad to help in any way I can. Thanks for watching. See you soon.